Introducing Sigma, Luceco's flagship recessed LED luminaire. Designed for a variety of ceiling types, including suspended, plasterboard, grid and modular ceiling systems. Ideal for use in offices, call centers, as well as educational facilities such as schools, colleges and universities. Perfect for installers and specifiers in need of an energy-efficient, low-glare lighting solution. Available in an array of driver types and lumen outputs, our Sigma LED luminaire features surpass the competition. A flexible installation process allows installers to opt between traditional lay-in processes when ceiling voids have space. Verse fitment from underneath thanks to Sigma's swing tab design, ideal for low ceiling voids. And plasterboard ceiling applications that require a secure clamping mechanism to keep the light fixture in place. True backlight design technology provides even light distribution, ensuring a comfortable lighting experience during prolonged periods of use. Unlike many recessed panel lights, Sigma's LEDs are fixed to the back of the luminaire, creating space between the LEDs and the micro-prism diffuser, providing even light distribution, improved uniformity ratio, softer light, and a reduced glare factor that achieves UGR 19. Fully LG7 compliant, to include meeting the maximum recommended intensity above 65 degrees. Sigma light panels are flicker-free, reducing eye fatigue and improving health and well-being. Capable of delivering up to 133 lumens per circuit watt. Sigma customers can expect to see a significant reduction in energy consumption. Further savings can be achieved when accompanied by wireless controls such as DALI, Luceco Platform or Elevate, and PIR motion sensors. Sigma's TPA fire rating assures installers and specifiers concerned about spacings to meet building regulatory requirements, exceeding competitor TPB fire-rated solutions. Sigma panels can be equipped with emergency options to meet the requirements of any given installation, with a lifespan of 100,000 hours. Backed by a 5-year standard warranty, plus additional on-site warranty, Luceco Sigma customers can rest assured they are investing in a long-term, high-performance, energy-efficient lighting solution that exceeds building regulations and guarantees quality. Learn more at the Luceco website and enjoy a free lighting design service for all inquiries submitted with qualified drawings.